So in this example, we're given a line, we're given the graph of a line, and it wants us to find out the equation of that line. So to go from graph to equation, we need to know two things. We need to know the gradient, which is the m value, and we need to know the y-intercept. So that's the gradient, that's the y-intercept. So we need to know the point at which it crosses the y-axis. Now we can see from this graph that our y-intercept is 4. So the point at which it crosses the y-axis is 4. So we can just read from the graph that the y-intercept is equal to 4. Now for the gradient, this time I'm going to go back to the visual way of doing it because I think it's really quite straightforward. The gradient is rise over run. What's the rise here? 4. What's the run? Is 3. And over to you. Is it positive or negative sloped? The bike's going downhill, so it would be a negative slope. So our gradient is negative 4/3. Our y-intercept is, what did we say, 4. So now we have a gradient and a y-intercept. What's the equation of the line? So you substitute the gradient in for m, and you substitute the y-intercept in for b. So you would end up with y equals negative 4/3 x plus 4.